If I was buying a storage container, this is what I'd look for. Hey guys, this is Rhett with Ozark Trailer Sales. We are gonna do a comparison on used containers and new containers today. If you guys don't know, we offer both from 20s to 40s to open sides to open tops. There's an endless combination there, but I wanna give you some pointers on what to look for when you're buying a container. Come to us and make sure you are taken care of, or use these tools and go find a container near you. All right, let's dive in. We've got some used containers behind us. These are all 20s, but the 40s and 20s, as far as condition, depending on the condition, are all the same. You've got three conditions in the container world. You've got new, one trip, which we'll look at next, which means it's come across seas one time. So it had cargo in it, it got unloaded, now it's in the States and it can be sold. They look almost brand new. There's gonna be a bunch of extra features on new containers that you won't usually see on used containers. Usually, 20 foots, you're saving about $1,000 going to a used container. And you guys can judge for yourself what that budget's gonna fit for you. But with the used container, here at Ozark Trailer Sales, we only sell cargo-worthy units. And that's important because that is the highest grade of used container we can get our hands on. There is two more grades below that. You have wind watertight below cargo-worthy, and then you have unrated below that. Basically, no insurance, it's the worst grade. There's gonna be holes in it. We only offer cargo worthy here because we do want to get you the best product. And there is still going to be some downsides to this cargo worthy product. You're going to see some scrapes, some ding, you're going to see some repairs. The guarantee to us is this unit can still be used as a cargo carrying vessel across the ocean and then back to us. So it's supposed to be watertight, but not only that, structurally sound because these get stacked up on top of each other. But you're going to see a bunch of those dings and scratches. And coming to the inside, you're usually still going to see some repairs on the inside, but these are still good units. They're gonna accomplish mostly what you wanna do. On the inside, you're gonna have some tie-down D-rings. You're usually gonna see some repairs, but some of the drawbacks to a used unit is right here on the front, and you'll see it on the new unit, is you're not gonna have a lockbox. So this front system's gonna be a little harder to use, a little harder to open, and you're not gonna have near the vents on a used one. I think they've upped it to 10 vents. You're gonna get, looks like 4 in this one. And ventilation in these containers, is also very important just because it's usually sitting in the sun and that temperature inside the container is gonna be different than outside. So ventilating it is really important. So this is a used container. They're gonna start around mid to high 2s, just depending on the time of year. Right now, these run $28.50. We deliver very reasonable on delivery. We have our own trailers here to make that happen. But you're starting at 28. For a 40-footer in this condition, you're gonna be in that mid to high 3s as well. So let's jump over to a new container and see what we're gonna get with that kind of money. So we're gonna transition to new containers, which I briefly told you guys the difference. This is a brand new container except for one trip. Some major differences is the overall look of it. It looks like a brand new trailer. It's very clean. Most of them are gonna come in this beige tan color. They look really sharp, but on top of that, you're gonna get the extra vents on the top for extra ventilation. And this bar system is way cleaner, way easier to use. You have a lot more leverage here, and you get this really nice lockbox. For most of you, when you're buying a container, it's just secure stuff. That lockbox is a huge plus. Anybody trying to get into it, it's gonna be a lot harder to get into this container. Coming over here, I'm gonna show you the inside too. The inside, I mean, it really just looks like the outside. This one specifically, you can't even tell that cargo has been in it. It still smells new. Now guys, for the most part, they're about $1,000 more from used to new, and you can see the difference. We're always gonna recommend new just because you're starting from scratch. You're not inheriting any problems or stuff that's being fixed. So you're at mid 4s to high 4s on a 40-footer, and the same for the mid 3s to high 3s on a 20-footer. And you know, moving forward, we can do almost any container. We have probably 12, 15 in stock, so we can most likely get you taken care of there. But we can do high cubes, the open tops, just anything you can imagine, we can get our hands on and get you taken care of. I do want to take a minute and talk about delivery. Guys, if you were paying over $3.50 a mile on delivery, you need to move down the road or try to find a different option. That's what we charge. We're very straight-laced. These trailers are built specifically for the containers. They lift up and we put them right where you need them, guys. Watch your delivery costs when you get this overall cost so that you know that you're not being taken advantage of. I'm Rhett with Ozark Trailer Sales. Use this video to make sure you're being taken care of, or come straight to us and we'll get you taken care of. Thanks and have a blessed day.